distinguished guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 4th edition of Indian International Film Tourism Conclave, which began day before yesterday in Chennai. We are in the very culturally rich, beautiful Hyderabad today, and we roll the caravan into Mumbai on the 27th of February. Today IFTC is 4 years young. We began this journey in 2013, full of trepidation and yet with unwavering faith in our vision of a pan-India conclave. The ride has been exhilarating, full of new curves and learning. Overall, if I may say, a vindication of our faith. The film industries in all the 3 cities have been very receptive, and we're amongst friends from the various film commissions and tourism boards around the world. Before we move ahead, I'd like to request all of you to please put your phones on silent. Thank you very much. In a nutshell, IIFTC has carved an indelible niche in this segment. 3 years and 13 events hence, the Film Federation of India, supported by IIFTC, today is India's biggest film tourism event. It's my absolute privilege and pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Dhwani Rao, and I'm so glad and excited to be here today in this very beautiful city of Hyderabad and hosting this IIFTC for all of you. With us in the audience, we have stalwarts from the film industry, we have distinguished guests who are absolutely inspiring personalities, if I may say so. So it is a very interesting day and also a very important milestone for IIFTC. IIFTC events have been attended by representatives of over 35 countries and 500 filmmakers to become the largest business and networking platform for the film and tourism industry in our country. These efforts have also resulted in IIFTC receiving an industry recognition as the Best Business Property of the Year at WOW Awards Asia 2015. There are new ideas to be unraveled, new roads to be traveled, but as we begin this year's very glorious journey, a look back on the years gone by, we have a special audiovisual that we'd love to present to you. May I request you to divert your attention to the screen. What an amazing journey it has been. Thank you to the whole film fraternity and tourism boards for extending your support and continuing to support us through the years to come. Before we begin the proceedings, we'd like to give a grand welcome and a very warm welcome to Fiji at IIFTC 2016. Fiji unfortunately couldn't make it to our Chennai edition of the conclave this year due to the unfortunate devastation caused by Cyclone Winston, one of the worst storms to ever hit the island. But we're glad that we have the team from Fiji today to participate in the Hyderabad edition. So with a round of applause, may we invite Mr. Anand Narayan to Hyderabad, to the IIFTC conclave. A round of applause. Let's give it up to the team of Fiji. And also we'd like to tell you that our prayers are with Fiji. Your friends from India are rooting for a speedy recovery of you and your nation. With that, I'd like to invite on stage the very dynamic Mr. K. Basi Reddy, Executive Committee Member, Film Federation of India, to once again welcome the gathering. Please put your hands together for Mr. Reddy.
For our Telugu film industry. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Have a great day.
Thank you very much, Mr. Reddy, for that very positive start to our conclave today. Darkness signifies ignorance and light signifies knowledge. We have with us stalwarts from the industry who with their creativity have absolutely lit the Indian film industry as a symbolism of that. And for a great auspicious start of today, we'd like to request our dignitaries today to light the traditional lamp. May I request first up, our chief guest for the day, Dr. Dasari Narayana Rao, to kindly step forward and join us in lighting the lamp. May I request with him Mr. D. Suresh Babu, leading filmmaker, to kindly join him to light the traditional lamp. Also requesting Mr. Adi Seshagiri Rao, our guest of honor. If I may request Mr. D. Suresh Babu to kindly accompany our chief guest, Dr. Dasari Narayan Rao. Also requesting to join them Mr. Adi Seshagiri Rao, Mr. Venkata Ramana Reddy, our guest of honor, Mr. Arda Ulutas, Consul General of Hyderabad, Republic of Turkey, our special invitee, Ms. Sunita Bhagwat, Commissioner, Department of Tourism, Government of Telangana, special invitee, Mr. Kodalli Venkateshwara Rao, Executive Committee Member, Film Federation of